Severe storms hit large parts of Turkey. Floods caused a lot of damage, inundated large areas of cities. Trees fell on roads and cars. The coastal city of Zonguldak suffered the most. Torn parts of buildings littered the streets. Severe storms left a trail of destruction. Strong flows of water tore off parked cars and swept through the streets. Winds of up to 150 km per hour were recorded in Istanbul. The waves tore a sheet from their piers and they crashed against them. There are a lot of destroyed buildings, ranging from wooden structures to concrete structures. Gusts of wind destroyed everything in their path. Flooding was also reported in aogl. After the storm, an unusual snowfall hit the region. The storms left a trail of destruction, causing significant disruption to daily life and services. The winds broke glass and the streets turned into post-apocalyptic scenes. Due to the storm, most of residents were left without electricity. The destroyed roofs could not stand it and flew away. The cargo ship Kafka Medley sank after hitting a breakwater. The ship sought shelter from strong winds and waves about 200 kilometers east of Istanbul. The hurricanes caused widespread unrest in the affected regions. The storms followed a particularly dry summer. In the lowlands, the flood depth was up to 3 meters. When Istanbul dams fell to their lowest levels in 9 years. Much of Turkey is suffering from a prolonged drought. Scientists link it to climate change and poor water management. Measures were taken to provide assistance to those affected by the hurricane.